So let's consider in that vein some of the challenges of inclusive learning. And just with that example there, when we talked about neurodiversity, sometimes there are these hidden disabilities as well. And with neurodiversity, not every expression is obvious or visible. And so those differences can be easily hidden. And because of that, they can be overlooked or neglected. So it is up to every individual to approach that learning design with an intention and with that inclusion in mind to mitigate that. We also have experience. Sometimes a lack of experience in the training of inclusive design can actually lead to learning experiences that unintentionally exclude different types of learners. And this is something that's really common that I feel is now just being addressed today. And that's our understanding of neurodivergence and the other forms of differences or disabilities continue to evolve as the research and the information from the experts in the field continue to explore this area. And finally, we have support there. One of the biggest challenges is time, resources, support from all different areas of your organization. When it comes to inclusive learning, we really do need complete buy-in. We need everyone to support this approach of inclusive learning so that we can really create these impactful learning experiences. And many L&D professionals know we're often also limited by one or three of these factors here.